Assignment is a term that you're going to hear in C++ and you're going to read about, and when you look at it, it looks very simple. And we're talking really about the equal sign. And the prospect of assignment in C++ means setting or assigning, hence the word assignment, the value of something to something else. Now, while this looks very simple, we're talking about something like we have a integer type variable x and we want to set it equal to 3. Well, this is an assignment. Now, like everything else in C++, this is very simple on the surface, but it can lead us into some more complex situations, which we will touch on a little bit later on in the course. But for now, I want to lay the very foundational basics for assignment so that you have this correct in your brain, all right? So very simply put, this is simply taking the value 3 and assigning it to the variable x, right? So this is an assignment. We would call it, setting a variable value, setting x equal to 3, whatever. We seldom use the word assignment, but it's really what we're doing. Now, here's something you need to remember. Make sure you burn this into your brain. Assignment simply copies the state of two existing objects. All right, so we're going to make a copy of the state of one object, which is, in this instance, our number 3, or our integer 3, and we're going to copy the state of that, or the value 3, into this integer object called x, or this integer variable, I should say, called x. Now, when we say x equals 3, keep in mind that there's two distinct sides of this, all right? And if you can keep this right here in your brain, it'll help you tremendously later on in all aspects of C++. The source is what's on the right side of the assignment, and the destination is what's on the left side. All right, so the 3 is our source here, and its destination, we want to copy it into x. All right, now that carries throughout anything that you use assignments in C++ on. All right, it will even work in this example here. Notice we're going to say 3 is going to be assigned to y, and then y, or 3, is going to be assigned to x. So in each situation, the rightmost gets assigned to the left, gets assigned to the left. All right, and then these are our assignments right here with the equal signs. Okay, so assignment is a very simple concept, but it can have some pretty involved implications for you a little bit later on when we're talking about some other things, which we will get to later. Don't want to confuse you now, but for now, just get this part in your head. Assignment is generally using that equal sign. Keep in mind the right side's the source, the left side is the destination, and we are simply copying the state of two existing objects.